Guys, we got a killer hack, killer deal on this combo. Don't forget to help this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make more to review videos. That's the way YouTube is a platform by subscribers and likes, so help out this channel by doing so. Yes, guys, it's not the Gen 4. We already did the hack with the Gen 4. You guys know we got a great deal on it. If not, check out my, go to my channel and look at the Gen 4 hack, and that's the way to do it. That's the way to get that one. But this one's the Gen 3, guys. This is a killer deal because it includes the charger, the 2 batteries, the case, and the hammer drill, of course. All right, so big shout out to Deal Team 6. I don't know how to say his name. He had some weird name there, and I couldn't say. So big shout out to you who posted this. They just posted it right now. All right, 249. It's down from 299. You guys know that they're trying to clearance all these, so there's going to be a lot of deals coming out with this and the impact driver. All right, so 249. You got free gift with purchase. Obviously, you're going to select the more expensive item, which is the 149, I believe. Yeah, you guys could do this with the reciprocating saw, or you guys could do this with a circular saw, angle grinder, or the battery, which is the best deal. Obviously, you want to select the battery. You add both to cart. All right, so it's 1,200. I'm just kidding. All right, so we got you're gonna get $130 for the battery. That's what you're gonna get back. But check this out, guys. It's not. Hold on a second. Let me go to the cart. I got a mess in the cart. Sorry, I gotta clean it out. What? See, I got all this. So this is the hack for the Gen 4. You guys already saw that. So I'm trying to get this organized here. Do apologize for that. So we got one there. All right, so one there. So $130 for that. There's a good hack on this one too, for $337. This is a 1/2 inch hammer drill and an impact wrench. That's a pretty decent deal. All right, guys, 155 killer deal if you're planning on getting the Gen 4. Just for $10 more, you're gonna get 2 batteries, charger, and a bag. Killer deal, guys. Go get them. Don't forget to help this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make more to review videos. That's the way YouTube is a platform by subscribers and likes. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching. I'll leave you guys the link down below in the description section of this video.